Hello and welcome, administrators. If you're here to get your school set up on the ARK assessment platform, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through the setup and get you from zero to fully configured, and we're going to do it fast.
And check this out. This is where we're headed. A powerful dashboard that gives you this amazing, at-a-glance snapshot of how your students and your school are doing. This is the goal, and trust me, getting there is way easier than you think.
And that's our promise. In just the next few minutes, we're going to guide you through the whole process, step by step. We'll take you from a brand new account all the way to being completely ready for test day.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll get familiar with the dashboard and some key terms so we're all speaking the same language. Then, we'll outline a simple 5-step setup plan. After that, we'll actually build your school in the system. And finally, we'll cover the last little bit to get you ready for testing.
Okay, first up, your dashboard and key terms. Just taking a second to understand the layout and the vocabulary the platform uses, it's the best way to start. It makes everything that follows go so much more smoothly.
So, when you log in, this is what's going to greet you. Think of this as your command center. Over here on the left, you've got your main navigation menu. Right in the center, these summary tiles give you a quick head count of your students and teachers. And down below, the charts give you a really nice visual overview. So what's your role in all this? Well, you are the center administrator. And that means you are in the driver's seat. You're the one managing the data, setting up the tests, and you have full access to all the incredible reports for your school. Okay, let's clear up two really important roles, teacher versus proctor. A teacher is assigned to a class so they can see reports and results. A proctor is simply the staff member who's in the room administering the test. Now here's the key. A teacher can also be a proctor, but a proctor doesn't automatically get to see results unless they're also assigned as the teacher. And here's another really crucial difference to get: class versus testing section. The easiest way to think about it is this. A class is for organizing your data for reports. A testing section is for organizing the actual people on test day. One is about results, the other is about logistics. Simple as that. All right, now that we've got the key turns down, let's get to our action plan. This is section 2, the 5-step setup plan. This is your super clear roadmap from a totally blank slate to a fully prepared school. And here are those 5 steps. It's really straightforward. We're going to add teachers, create classes, add students, assign those students to their classes, and then, finally, create the testing sections. We're just going to knock them out one by one. And now it's time for the fun part. Section 3, building your school. This is where we put that 5-step plan into motion and start populating the system with all your people and your classrooms. Okay, wait. Before you click a single thing, this is probably the most critical part, preparing your data. You'll need 2 separate CSV files, one for teachers and one for students. Just make sure your files have columns with at least these key fields. Seriously, getting this part right makes the import process an absolute breeze. Okay, got your files prepped and ready to go? Perfect. Step 1, let's get your teachers imported. So, in that navigation menu on the left, you're just going to click on Teachers. Then, on the page that pops up, look for the Import button in the upper right corner and give that a click. From there, it'll just ask you to upload that teacher's CSV file you just made. Boom! Just like that, your teachers are in the system. Let's keep the momentum going and move right on to Step 2, Create Classes. So now you'll just navigate to Classes in that same menu and click the Plus New button. This form will pop up, and this is where you'll name each class, and, this is the important part, use the drop-down menu to assign one of the teachers you just imported. This is how you connect your faculty to their classrooms. All right, we're on a roll. Now we're going to be super efficient and combine the next 2 steps, importing all of your students, and then immediately assigning them to the classes we just created. So, after you import your student CSV file, you'll see this big list of all your students. Just look for the classroom column over on the right. From there, you can simply go right down the list and use the drop-down menu to pop each student into their correct class. It's really that simple. And look at that, the core of your school is already built. We are on the final section now, preparing for testing. This is the last piece of the puzzle to get you completely ready to go. This brings us to our 5th and final setup task, and that is creating the testing sections. And remember, this is all about test day logistics. So in the testing sections menu, you'll click Plus New. You'll give the section a really clear name, pick the right assessment, and then assign a proctor from the list of staff you imported earlier. And that's it. You've done it. By following those 5 steps, your school is now fully configured and set up inside the ARK system. You are good to go.
Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with one last really powerful tip. See that little blue icon in the bottom right corner of your dashboard? If you ever get stuck or have a question, that live chat button connects you directly with the ARK team. It is your absolute best friend. You've done all the setup, your data is in, the classes are built, the system is ready. So the only question left is, now that you're ready, what will you discover?